Here! Total concentration. Thunder breathing. First form. Thunderclap and flash. Godlike speed!
Hey guys, it's Thunder Splash, and in this episode we're going to be talking about how to create neon materials in Unreal Engine 5. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to right click, look for material, and rename it to Neon Blue. Alright, open it up. Next we're going to hold down the letter M and click. Then after that we're going to hold down the number 3 and click. And then we're going to hold down the number 1 and click. Now we just need to connect A to this one and B to this one as well. After we've done that, let's connect it to the emissive color. Once we've done that, we're going to double click on here, change the color to blue, and then we're going to go down to the value, and we're going to change this to 75. Apply. After that, we're going to duplicate the neon blue, change the name, and pick 2 different colors. Alright, now that we've done that, let's open it up and let's change the color to green. Hit apply. And then we're going to change this one to pink. After that, let's bring some objects to the game. And then just place the material on the object. Alright guys, and there you go. Now all we have to do is just dress the map up. Hey guys, thanks for following along. Fun fact, it is my birthday today, so If you're watching this video, you should definitely subscribe. But on that note, if you like these type of videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Later.